For practices undergoing a Xero Practice Manager implementation, the add-on or package upgrades include live configuration support, as well as an advanced support tier. So what that means is if you are getting underway with your Practice Manager account, we do all of the preliminary configuration on your behalf. That gives you best practice out of the box, so you can have a really good setup starting from day one. We will also go through and make sure that some of the other core services around getting your tax file connected, making sure that data is migrated, and then as an end result, delivering the required training. We make sure that all of that happens. But over time, we've worked out some practices want to be involved more around custom configuration or understanding how to configure their Practice Manager account. So in the middle of this project timeline, you can actually see configuration session 1, 2, 3, and an integration session. So with the live configurations upgrade, we would schedule all of these to go into this a lot deeper, and you can cast your vote on any adjustments that are required over and above our preliminary setup, and also take away from that how to make changes and use that going forwards. Along with the live configuration, the other service you might want to consider is the advanced support tier. Now that actually means you'll get live access into this very own project. So when we set this up for you, you could, for example, follow through and see everything from start to finish, which is due to be completed. You could also select any of these tasks because you can open them up and see a bit more detail behind it. For example, some instructions or guides. So you can see here we've got some recommended business structures for New Zealand practices. So it is actually very helpful. A lot of the ability behind this allows you to comment and discuss things throughout that implementation project as well. The advanced support tier not only gives you access to this, but it also gives you direct access into a Microsoft Teams channel so that you have a dedicated Q&A channel all the way up until when you go live. And you will also be able to use that as a support retainer after you go live. So a lot of practices want to ensure that the day they start using the new system, that they're not stuck and they've got someone to book in times or answer questions to as well. So that's what the advanced support tier is. Without that, then when you go live, your support is one where you would contact the Xero support teams for any tickets or concerns that you have. Or you can engage us for hourly consulting going forward as well, which is another avenue. So to summarize, we have got the live configuration sessions, which get all of these ones in between booked, configuration 1, 2, 3, and integrations. We would also, on the advanced support tier, which is the other option, invite you into this project so you've got direct access. And we would also set up a Teams channel and give you a series of booking links so you can grab times with us as well. We'll leave it from there. If you have any questions, don't be shy to get in touch.